It's a toaster, it's an oven, it's a toaster oven. Hey, there's a better way.
There is?
Yeah, come with me.
This is a toaster oven. It's like an oven, but miniature. Wow, it looks so nice. It's Black & Decker. So, how do you work this Black & Decker? Well, I'll tell you. You open it up first, and here is a tray to put your food on. The heat source comes from the top and bottom. What's that for?
This dial is for defrost, toast, or broil.
For this is to set your time. How long you want it to go or how short you want it to go. A new feature, see-through window so you can see when your food is ready. No need for that, it's dishwasher safe.
Now that you've seen all the wonderful things it can do, don't waste your time with the regular oven. Go out and buy yourself a toaster oven. You can call us at 1-800-TOASTER OVEN to get a special offer of this Black & Decker toaster oven for $49.99. I repeat, $49.99. If you call now, we will include a second toaster oven for $39.99 and a bag of bagels. Just call us at 1-800-TOASTER OVEN and you won't regret it.